Previously on ApprenticeEh.
Unbreakable. You are the cutest.
Troy Sivan! I am Thor, son of Odin. Who the hell is Odin?
Good morning. Majestic beasts are overlooking their territory. Oh, they're so great.
Morning. Everyone went out to go for a brunch and went to go do stuff with dogs, take them to the dog park or something. I stay behind because I'm going to get a little bit of work done. I have some stuff I have to do for the family fishing lure company. And today's November 1st. November's a weird month. So I was thinking about this. November, in Canada at least, doesn't really have an identity. You know, it's like, if you think about the months, you're like, January, oh, it's the new year, right? February, it has like, it's the coldest month of winter. It has Valentine's Day. Like, when you say February, people think Valentine's Day. You think March, people think like spring break or St. Patrick's Day, right? And then you have like, April's like Easter. October, Halloween, December, Christmas, New Year's, but November, like November has stuff. It has like important holidays like Remembrance Day, and in the Americas it has Thanksgiving, but in Canada it has nothing. November just like lives in the shadow of October because it's like, oh, Halloween, like all of October is Halloween, basically. And then November 1st, everything just becomes almost immediately Christmas. So you usually go to the store. I already saw people on Twitter, and they're like, the stores are like setting up for Christmas. Just eye roll. So November is just like not as good as October, and it's just people like, oh, getting ready for December. So November just kind of is this weird in-between month that doesn't really have anything that identifies with November. I guess in America there's Thanksgiving, but Canada there's really nothing because October doubled up as well, Thanksgiving and Halloween. And Thanksgiving is not really huge in Canada. So poor November is kind of left to the wayside. It's a weird month, that November. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to work.
Good morning, friends. It is November 1st. Fall is here. Autumn, if you will.
All Saints Day.
And today is All Saints Day, apparently. Which, I guess that's a thing. It's the day after Halloween, and then there's what? There's Devil's Night, and there's All Souls Day. It's too many holidays. You can't have 4 holidays back to back to back to back. Anyways, we are out for a hike, because it's really nice out.
So nice.
And it's really fall out.
Yeah.
And we're here with Samantha Fall.
Oh, yeah, that's me. And it's fall.
Hang on, there we go.
Look at the bird. Oh,
Look at the leaf.
look at the bird.
Look.
Look at the bird. Look at the bird. Oh, that's so cool.
Kind of missed it. Your squealing scared the bird away.
I'll be quiet now.
Oh my goodness, that's a chickadee. Dogs, go away. Look at
I'll back up. Get closer, Saskia. Saskia, you're like Snow White.
That's so exciting. That's so exciting. Oh my goodness.
What a bunch of nerds.
Little birdies.
Opposite of gaming.
Yeah.
You want some?
Your flailing probably doesn't help. Look, 3PO will find a bird. Go find him, 3PO. And should we go find the birds? Oh my gosh. Oh, and he's taking a poop. Okay. Oh, no, he's just sitting. That's just how he sits. Look at these wild animals. All of the birds? It's a lot of birds.
Look at those little sausages.
So fast.
Chewy. Come here, boy. Chewy. Foot squirrel.
Yeah!
So fast. A little slower.
Did you see him try to run up the hill?
Where are you going? What? He's gone.
Chewy, come here.
Goodbye, Chewy.
Chewy, come here.
He's such an adventurer.
Come on.
Come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here, come here.
Ducks.
Ducks.
Ducks. Ducks, ducks, ducks.
And then a bird.
Red-winged blackbird.
Oh, there's two of them.
Just hanging out.
Freaking hanging out. Just chilling. There's a wild human.
Woo!
Ah, yes. Here we see some really wild human in the natural habitat.
Look at these tired dogs.
All right. Chewy, do you want a treat? You want a treat? Chewy.
Oh, they're loving it.
There you go. Sit.
Loving it.
From this angle, it's just his pointy little fox face, and then just a bunch
Treat.
of
Just wah.
Other paw. Other paw. Chewy. Have a treat. Other paw. Sit. High five. Oh gosh, you're dirty. Okay.
Come on, birds.
Look at this foolish boy.
Hi. You're gonna ruin everything.
No, don't.
Look at that kid has birds on his hands.
Oh, I want that to be me. So everybody's just kind of been hanging out. We bought a bunch of cheap Halloween candy, which was the day after Halloween is great for cheap candy. And everybody's just doing their own thing in their rooms and hanging out. And I feel like it's super late right now. And it's not because the time changed. We like gained an hour last night. So according to that clock, it's 9:45. But it's technically only 9:45, and I'm not getting ready for bed. I'm so ready to go to sleep. So instead, to keep myself occupied and not fall asleep, I'm watching Daily Bumps. If you don't know who they are, they're family vloggers. I've just been watching their vlogs. They just uploaded a Halloween special where they all acted like Toy Story characters, which is great. The house is still a disaster. Meanwhile, nobody's really felt like cleaning up, so we'll have to do that tomorrow, probably. Don't really feel like doing it right now. We're just taking our time and hanging out, and it's great.
It's not 2 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. Time changed. I was like, don't tell me it's 2 o'clock in the morning. Okay, it's 1 o'clock in the morning. It's time for bed. It's a pretty chill day. Saskia and I went for a walk in the morning, which was nice. And then they all went to the park and did that thing, and I sit here. I got some work done, which is good. I played a little bit of video games, which is good. And then now I'll go to bed. Super chill day. It was really good. Kind of like recoup, because it was buffer, then it was Halloween, and then it was just like that day of like, what's next? And it's like, oh, just other work, just other cool projects, but nothing as intense as buffer. So it was good. It was like the first decompressed day, so it felt great. Anyways, I'm gonna go to bed, and this makes way more sense. 1 o'clock in the morning, unlike that, which says 2 o'clock in the morning. So yeah. Anyways, we're off. Good night.
Home is where the fog is.